Hello, I am back with the marble table, which means I am back in the office. I am almost fully recovered from being sick, which is amazing. I feel like my voice is finally sounding back to normal and not super congested. So we skipped $2 Tuesday last week for our e-course since we really wanted that to be the star of the week. We figured we would step back from new releases, but this week we are back. We are resuming our $2 Tuesday and our Friday new releases. And I'm really excited because we are doing the second half of our summer floral collection, and I am totally obsessed with our florals. Thank you to everyone who showed some love to our first half of the florals a couple of weeks ago. This week we are again 5 journaling kits as well as the matching floral frames, toppers, and the deco sheet. Each sheet is $2, which is a fantastic deal. I think our journaling kits are around $5, so $2 is a really fantastic deal. I will be doing a demo at the end of this video. I'll be showing it here in the flip through in our Luxe Premium Matte sticker paper, which I love and seems to be more popular out of the 2 papers that we offer. But I will be doing the demo in our transparent matte sticker paper, so you can kind of get to see what that looks like. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. I also just got my nails done yesterday. I'm recording this a little bit early, but I figured since I have a fresh set of nails that I should film the flip through while they still look nice. So let's just jump into it. So this first collection is called Warm Weather. Here is the journaling kit. The yellow and my nails kind of match. This kit just features a lot of warm colors. You have yellows and oranges and pinks, which are classic summer colors. I love this little daisy faux wax seal. I think it's so cute. Kind of matches the flowers on my nails. So that is Warm Weather. Here is the matching deco sheet. I love the little pops of blue. I think that's so cute and pretty for the summertime. We just love all of the color for summer. Here are the date toppers. And then, honestly, I think my favorite sheet out of all of the deco sheets are the frames. They are just so unique, each and every single design. Next up, we have Tropics. Let's do the journaling kit first. Love the little faux stamp. And we love our Birds of Paradise. Then we have the little deco sheets. We're actually bringing back a kit from last year. It's called Tropical Paradise, and it has a ton of these Birds of Paradise plants in it. It's so pretty. Here are the date toppers. And then look at the sheet. I love the blue parrot. I think it's so pretty. So that is the frames. Next up, we have Citrus. I think citrus is actually a winter fruit. Someone correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like we have a ton of orange trees in our orchard, and I feel like we typically eat the oranges from it during the winter time. So, but maybe that's just like a California thing. Honestly, I have no idea. For all I know, they could be a year-round fruit. I love our little faux Polaroid frame. Like the little washi on it, just, it's the little details. And this is actually a frame, so when you peel it, this part is blank. That is Citrus. And then here are the matching deco sheets. I love all of the green in the deco. Here's the date toppers. I love how it comes with 3 different designs, so you can really pick and choose and mix and match. And then look at these frames. I love these corner ones. I just love how they all come in like different shapes. Next up, we have Summer Floral, and I'm totally obsessed with this color right here, Chartreuse. It's coming up a little bit more yellow on camera, but it is a little bit more lime green in person. Totally obsessed with it. I think it looks kind of ugly, but I love it, and I think it matches really well with the bright orange and the greens. It just looks really good all together, and I kind of want to get like this color or these colors on my nails next time. Here are the deco for it. I love the bouquets in this one. There's just so many different flowers. Here are the date toppers. These ones are a little bit more subtle. And then look how gorgeous this one is. I love it when it's like a gold frame and then there's like flowers. This one too, so pretty. And then you have some wreath looking ones. Amazing. And then the last floral we have here is called Fall into Summer, and this one is a little bit more of a transitional color from summer into fall. So you'll see there's like some purples in here, and it just gives me end of summer type of feels, which I am not ready for personally, but these are really gorgeous. Here's the floral deco sheet. Love all the bouquets on here. Then we have the date toppers. And I love how all these come with 7, so it's enough for like 3 weeks worth of date toppers. We love that. And then last but not least, we have our frames, which I think this triangle one is really unique looking. That is all of the florals that we had this week. I think these collections are absolutely stunning, and if you missed our washi video, we actually have matching washi tapes that match with these florals, and I think using them together, like all the deco and the journaling kit and the washi, you could come up with some really cool looking floral spreads. And so I'm going to demo some of these stickers, but I will be using the transparent matte stickers for it. So here is my demo of our $2 Tuesday stickers this week. I used a journaling kit for these 2 columns. I used Summer Floral, and that is what it looks like with all the stickers. I think if I was actually using it for like a spread, I would definitely have spread out all the stickers, but since I just wanted to give you guys a little demo, so that is what that column is. And then for the other 2 columns, I just decided to use a little bit from each sheet. of the deco sheets. So we have like the deco, the toppers, some frames, and I used a little bit from all of them. So citrus is down here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found the demo to be useful. If you guys want to see like an actual plan with me of how I would use our journaling kit, I can definitely do that as well. Just let me know. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye!